We are having 29 plants in India, and water is the main resource is required for our process. Plastic in a year, and water is our main ingredient. We are monitoring our energy and water conservation of all supreme group of industry, and also compliance of all water compliance in all states, and submitting our business responsibility and sustainability reporting, which is mandatory for the industry. We are using groundwater and purchasing water from the market. Industry, we are taking the water as a prime resource and monitoring the water consumption of our plant. We are selecting the equipment where our water losses is less. Our water losses in cooling towers, chillers, and other losses in the leakage. So we are controlling the by monitoring the system, water consumption system.